Hi folks, Lee here and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see we're playing another bit of World of Tanks. I've got my friend Allan here with me, and unlike me he actually knows how to play the game. So um, that's going to be a lot of fun. And we've both got tier 4 tanks, so we're just going to jump into a game of those. So I'm going to
Okay,
go for the Covenanter.
I'll do SU-85B.
So yeah, basically Alan's played you've played the game a lot in PC, haven't you?
Yeah, I haven't played it much on console, so I'm honestly atrocious.
Yeah. So basically, like what I was saying earlier was like he's good at World of Tanks, the game, but he's not used to playing it in the controller. Whereas I'm bad at World of Tanks, the game, but I'm used to playing it in the controller. So like kind of together we make up like a half decent player. But anyway, let's just get into the game. So we're on El Haluf, which isn't a map I've really played on that much. Just that one game earlier, literally.
Mm.
And I think I remember playing it a bit in the PC as well. Um,
Yeah, I've played
but
hundreds in this map probably.
yeah. So it looks like people are going towards the edge of the map, like you said, they done in the
Yeah,
PC.
the heavies will
So
go up to A1
right,
and you'll have a big battle on that corner, and then
right.
they try and work their way down the one line. Um,
Right, so I mean I don't really want to move up with like the heavies, so
no,
I
El
might,
Haluf's a strange map. Like,
yeah.
it's not. Um,
I mean that's the thing, like obviously I should have been like going forward and kind of scouting, but at the same time I don't really know.
This is this is a horrific map for scouting on
Yeah,
because you go into this valley of death below. It's not a field you can run into and run back from.
yeah. So I don't know, I'll just go in this general direction and move up that way. So there's a wee bit here, at the very kind of edge. I'm already taking hits, which isn't great. Oh damn! Right, I almost got that one guy, but um,
Mm. This is like I'm still alive because I know how to play a TV, but I haven't hit a single shot. Like, it's
yeah,
so. Ugh. I think the shell velocity is a lot slower in this game as
yeah,
well because I'm having to lead targets way more than I would have, I think, in PC.
yeah.
I could be wrong, but
No,
it's certainly
yeah,
very
I think
bizarre.
so. I think so as well. To be honest, this match seems to be like far slower pace than the
Mm.
last one we played in this map. I think the last one everybody just kind of rushed out, whereas here
Yeah.
people seem to be kind of like hanging back a little bit more. I'm gonna have a look and see what the rest of their team's kind of doing.
Oh, these controls are so bad. Keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. That's it.
Did you get him? Did you get someone?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you did.
This guy's just behind this rock constantly. This T-28. So there's two TDs and a medium. The medium's the T-28 over there. Oh, TD's over there as well. There you go. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, I think that. I don't know. I think that might have been the guy that I was shooting at earlier. Stug.
You're Stug 3 or...
Aye, because I seen he only had like a tiny bit of health there.
Still haven't taken a single bit of damage. I got tracked, but I didn't get hit. Oh, he's pounding that T-28. I'll just blind fire the bush. See, what's the shell velocity? If I fire there, it takes like a good second or something.
The other SU-85 and the team's going up this hill and they're really struggling. It's like that bit in Himmelsdorf when you go up the side, like if you're trying to go up that in like a Valentine AT or something, and you're literally crawling up at like half a mile an hour or something.
There's this. That's the other thing about PC now. PC now you get a marker to say where somebody was last spotted. They don't just disappear. This could go on.
Yeah, it's definitely a far slower paced match here.
Because there's one guy.
Yeah.
I don't even know what the TD is.
Do you think they'd be better just capping? Or, well, I suppose we are now, but...
That's because they've realised we don't know where this guy is.
Do you get more points for capping, or do you get more points for killing the whole enemy team?
Killing, because...
Right, yeah, because you're going to get the points, the damage points, I suppose, aye.
Yeah, but not only that... I can't get off any of these clips.
I just seen an artery like randomly fire there.
I think on PC, well, it used to be, I think it was anyway. Oh, there he is. I thought he was over here. He's dead. Yeah, on the PC, you actually get a multiplier to your XP in that based on the total damage done by your team. So the better your team does actually affects your XP. So that's why everyone used to say no cap, kill all. They just used to keep typing that in chat when somebody was capping.
Right, okay.
Because when you cap, your XP looked rubbish, you know. But anyway.
So
I think I've unlocked the first thing for my SU-85B.
Would you get the better gun?
No.
No.
The gun's like level 4 or something.
Right.
Or maybe it is. Um, yeah, it's 110 mil. Yes, I do get the gun. I misread that.
Right. So I can actually get a OQF 3-inch howitzer Mark 1, do you think? So I'm
That
getting
dirt.
less pen, less accuracy, about half the rate of fire, but about 3 times the damage. So
If you fire HE, probably yeah.
right, we'll give
It's a
it
dirt.
right. We'll give it a go.
It's a dirt gun, so yeah,
So
the derps generally you're never going to pen, so it'll just bounce off. But if you fire HE,
I
it
mean,
doesn't matter because you're.
it's not that much less pen, if you know what I mean.
Well, it's
So
not much less than maybe I just fire AP, but it's like a KV2's derp. It goes from being a decent,
yeah,
pen gun. Well, I suppose to be honest, the 152 mil even on AP does have a lot of pen, and it does 700 damage. But the HE is still more
yeah,
fun because you do damage, you just hitting the tank somewhere,
yeah.
Um, although in PC, the next update coming out completely overhauls HE, so
Right.
it might be the end of dirt guns. But
Oh damn. Right. Okay. So I don't even know if that's actually equipped it because it doesn't
if you go
look
to up,
doesn't
if
look
you
that much
go to
different. But
upgrades,
um,
well, wait a minute, let's unready,
right.
and then when you've got the tank out, customize, and
Customize
then click the module,
modules.
and then you click the module you want, so it's the gun or the engine
Ah,
or
and
the tracks
if
or
it's
whatever.
highlighted in blue, that should be what I've got.
That's what you're using, yeah.
Right. Nice.
If it's
Right.
grey, then it's not.
Okay.
Right,
Let's go.
that's that. So I've got a new gun. You've got a new gun.
Yeah. Now we're in Abbey again.
Hmm. I wish I had a KV2.
That was the only tank in the PC version that I was like actually any good with.
Hmm.
That and the LOL tractor.
I mean, PC, the KV2, the main thing you got to do is manage your reload because it's just
Yeah,
so long. It's a very dangerous tank
right.
as long as it's loaded. If it's not loaded, it's
Yeah.
useless.
So
you know.
I think the new gun that I'm using is primarily HE because I think that's the only ammo I've got just now.
Hmm.
So where are you? Oh,
To
you're
your
over
right.
there, right? Okay, so this should be interesting.
Hmm.
Right, so are you just gonna hang back kind of long range? I suppose that's the
Yeah.
best way to
With
go in it.
with
So
with TDs with fixed
yeah,
hulls and things, you can't really do too much.
yeah,
Whereas a KV2, even though it's a big slow lumbering thing, I'll still quite happily go right in and face somebody head on,
yeah,
because I can cope with uh, managing the reload, bounce shots, blah blah blah,
yeah.
and then fire the next one into a weak spot or something. But mm, mm, oofed. Um,
Gonna try and like drive through this. Nah. Oh wait, yeah. Right, okay. See if we can get a shot here at something.
They're going to be flanking round the back.
Yeah.
So I'm probably dead. There's no way I can fight off this many people. Especially when I'm this bad at driving the tank.
Yeah. I feel like I'm kind of all over the place here. A little bit. But I've got a couple of light tanks in front of me, so I'm going to try and just go for them. Oh, the reload time is much. There we go. Okay. That worked. Yeah, I like this. Right.
I got one.
Okay. Right, this is nice.
Yeah.
I'm not getting the pen, but like I'm doing
Hits
better damage anyway, you know, like. Right.
That was my bad. I didn't use the minimap and I didn't notice the hits had come round the back.
Yeah.
Plus a hit, so it's got
Yeah.
Oh, there's a guy and two guys in with the R2s, a heavy and a medium.
Right. So it looks like we're roughly equal, like. Maybe
well, we've got
not.
6 tanks, they've got 5 tanks.
Well, they've got 2 arties, so as long as they don't hit us, we might have a chance here. I'm not going to hit anything for their armour, right. So, we'll just kind of try. Oh, there's an arty like really close to me somewhere.
They don't have any arty anymore. He killed them.
Need to try and make it down for this middle bit.
If you can reset, you'll win. If you can just hit someone who's in the cap circle.
I don't think I'm going to make it over there in time, although it looks like we are. They take, I don't know.
I don't know which one's which.
I don't know. Did we do it?
Captured.
Did we do it?
Was that
Did we
us
do it?
or was that? Oh,
that was us. Nice, nice.
It shows you how cool the game is when you don't know which cap circle's which. You know?
Yeah.
Is that us or not?
Right. So, what did we get? Alright, 2 kills, decent amount of XP, 4th. Yeah.
I got 1 kill. 106 damage.
Yeah. Well, it's really more about like how much damage you do anyway, and really like that's kind of the main.
It does have an assisted thing, so I don't know how the assistance works. Whether assistance in this game is only based on tracking damage. You track somebody and then somebody shoots him while he's tracked. But, I don't know.
Yeah.
Vehicle XP, Commander XP.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, anyway, that was a couple of interesting games, so I'm going to wrap the episode up here, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you hated it, leave a dislike. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As I said, this was the kind of thing I hinted at in the other World of Tanks videos, where I says, you know, I had plans for this game, you know. Obviously my friend Allan here, he's played it a lot. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, see you next time, I don't know.
Yeah. I've planned this video, but as much as I plan any other video, which is not I haven't. at all. But yes, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and any thoughts, leave them in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more of this, then please do subscribe. Thanks, Alan, for joining me.
No
You know,
problem.
hopefully we can do more videos like this. And as I says, if you guys would like to see more of this, then please do subscribe. Bye, folks.